Okay, I got my new box today. Okay, oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. Okay, I ordered some stuff for my iMac, and I have nothing to do, and I was so in a hurry for something. I'm so desperate for something to do that I just went ahead and unboxed it. And then I got my camera, and I start recording, and I forgot to turn the mic on. So I have to turn the camera off, and I had to turn on my mic, and then I started recording again, and then the sensitivity for the microphone was too high, so I had to turn off my camera again and adjust the microphone, and hopefully I get it right. Hopefully I got it right. Now, this is a label printer. It's a plug and play, no drivers required label printer. Alright, you print the label and the software. I'm watching EXBC. They're really cool. You should watch them. Anyway, there's the power button up there. You print your label out, or when you print your label out, it'll come out here, and you hit the little button here, and it cuts it. Okay, but before you do that, you open up this. You'll see a little arrow on the front. Sorry if you can't see it, but there's a little arrow on the front, right about there. You open that up. Okay, then you see this little battery compartment here. You open that, and you'll get a battery. It looks like the battery. The battery looks like an Xbox 360 controller battery. It's in there. I already put it in there. But you put it in there, and you don't have to plug it into an outlet, which is cool. You just put that little battery in. Hopefully I put it in right. And then you get one label cartridge. I have to do this with one hand. See, this is one of the good things about being fat. So you can be kind of like an otter. You can just kind of use your gut as a table. Now, let's see. I don't know how this goes. It goes like that. Keep forgetting the point. I'm trying to record this and show it in the camera, but I keep moving the camera away from the. Oh my god, I don't know how to hold a camera, but yeah, hopefully that's how it goes. Because it's gonna go out like that. And that must be the printer head right there. Oh, look, it has instructions. Correct? Incorrect. Yeah, that's the post unboxing. Yeah. This is a post unboxing of the DYMO label printer, but yeah, like I said, it's plug and play. They advertise that you just plug it in and software pops up and you just get working right away. Also bought a couple more labels. You can buy these in like packs of 10. This is a set. Do not separate. I'll do what I want. Don't tell me what to do, motherfucker.